To set a destination, press F. Okay, you can select a cursor position, a waypoint, a route, or a track as your destination. Okay, for a cursor, press enter, and then place your cursor to the desired position. For example, this will be the destination. Press enter. Okay, and it will automatically be a broken line that shows the location of your current position to the destination. To cancel destination, press F and select stop go to. Okay. Next, if you want a waypoint to be your destination, go to waypoint and select which waypoint will be the destination. For example, I will select 006. So as you can see, the broken line will be showing the destination from your boat to the destination. Again, you can stop the destination. If you have a route saved, for example, we will use the route that covers 007, 005, and 006. Go to route, select that route. So I save this one, the 01. Enter. It will ask forward or reverse. Forward is starting from the first waypoint, and reverse is starting from the last waypoint. So I will choose forward. Okay, so as you can see, it goes to 007, 005, and then 006. If I select, let's stop the destination, and then if I select reverse, it shows from 006, 005, and then 007. If you also have a saved track, okay, so you can also select a saved track.